Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will talk about dot plots with ggplot2 package in R. Dot plots is just to plot the dots for relationship between variables, and it is quite similar as scatter plot. The difference is that in the dot plots, I will display the index, usually the category of the variable, in the vertical axis, and usually the corresponding value or numeric value will be plotted in the horizontal axis. So we will show several examples later. And in R programming, usually you can use dotchart function to plot different dot plots. You can also use ggplot function in the ggplot2 package to plot dot plots. So next we will show several examples in RStudio. So first we will create a data frame using information for the month's name and 3 vector called expected number and the sold number and quarter for the month. So you can see this data frame has 4 columns: month, expected, sold, and a quarter. And the month is for the month's name and quarter for the category for different quarter, and expected and sold are numeric variables. Let's say you will create dot charts for the sold variable. So you can use dot chart and the data sold and with the labels for month variable. And we can use PCH for the color and the background for the green and the size 1.5. This is a very basic dot charts with green points for month and sold variable. You can see the value for the sold is stay on the horizontal axis and the month for the vertical axis. And sometimes you can plot dot charts for different points in different categories by group. So for example, we want to plot dot charts for the same data frame, but we will group these points by quarter value. So we create color, and for the different quarter, we set a different color. Then dot charts with data expected and labels for the month. So month for the vertical axis and expected value for the horizontal, and with the color size, and here we use group with rev function for the data's quarter value, and we set a color plane for the colors which we have created here. So now you can see different points will be plotted with different color according to their quarter value. And dot plots will be very useful if you order the values. For example, all the values from the lowest to the highest value. Then it will be more clear to see the trends of the data. So here we set data frame, new data frame with the ordered value for expected value from data frame data. Then we can plot these data frames, expected and with the labels months, because expected has been ordered from the lowest to the highest. And here we set an x limit for expected and sold, and we set a range -2 to 2, and set the size and the color planes same as before, and with a group for the quarter. You can see how it is going. So these dot plots is quite illuminating because it shows the values from expected from lowest to the highest. Also from these points you can see the sum, the quarter information also can be shown here, right? So next we will show how to use ggplot2 for dot plots. So here we load the library ggplot2 and dpayr first. Then we will use the data frame mpg and select the data for the 2008 year only, and then group by the model type. Then we get the summary information for the mean of each WY variable. So we will pass this information mpg to the field function year equals 2008, then pass to the group by model, then pass to the get the summarized information. Then the result will be assigned to the plot data object. Then we show this plot data. This is actually data frame for the different models and the mean HWY value, right? Next, we will plot dot plots of this summary information. So we get ggplot plot data. AES information is X use mean, X show WY, and Y is the model. The only two variables in this data frame. This for X, this for the Y, and we use the function geom point, and with the color red, then we set the label X and Y with the title. So ggplot2 for dot plot quite simple. You just use geom point. So this is a quite basic dot plots for miles per gallon for different car models. And you can also sort data first, then plot dot plots. So ggplot plot data, AES same as before, but here we use the Y equals reorder first, reorder model mean HWY first. Then set the geom point same as before, and the label and the title same as before. So this is the sorted data from lowest to the highest miles per gallon for different car models. Thanks for watching.